Alien Conquest Part 2.
It's done. I just put them away already. Whoa! I almost forgot. The alien defenders are there on Earth. They kill aliens. They destroy aliens. At least they have a cool ship. It's big and big. It has 2 lines on it with a breathing thing. And that's where I'm on top of. We're just flying all the way to Earth. It's very far away. Because my planet just got so far away. Not to Pluto, a little bit far away. Just having nothing to I have 6 legs. I don't know that. Wait. I forgot. My little monsters. My little monster aliens. They're still babies. They are just asleep. Tomorrow they are being children.